Welcome to Broadway. I thought there was a fair going on. There's someone singing, but yeah, it was nothing like a festival. That's Times Square back there. It's just too much for me. That way. But I just can't be around all those people right now. Decided that I'm gonna get a bike and then I'm gonna go to Central Park. I'm like the coolest person here, probably. Actually, seat's hurting my ass.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17.
If anyone's in New York City and wants to do that with me, let me know.